Man, Unity Day is not for me.
Yeah, I think I'm just gonna skip that day.
Yeah, me too. Hey guys, I don't think I'm gonna go to Unity Day. Like, honestly, I think it's like a waste of time. Like, who wants to go to Chipotle with me?
Ryan, what are you talking about? This is so important.
Why? Why can't we just go to Chipotle?
Because, Will, we need to discuss the wage gap and the Me Too movement.
Hey guys, I just talked to Z Club and they told me I should go to Unity Day, but I don't know, I'm thinking about skipping, going to Chipotle with Will.
Mallory, Unity is so important.
Zara, give me one good reason why I should go to Unity Day.
We're Amnesty International, and we're talking about voter suppression, indigenous rights, and prison reform.
Wow, I've never seen you guys around here before. You guys must agree with me that Unity Day is pointless.
I mean, actually, I don't think it's pointless. I think it's actually going to do a great job this year at, unifying our school instead of dividing our school even more, I think we should all take a page from Miss Stott's book and go so we can become less of an ignorant American.
Amen.
Well, Unity Day sounds pretty important. What do you think?
Yeah, it seems like we may not be able to skip it this year.
Yeah.
Day of the Deaf, and we're having a bunch of games, so come and learn.
This is Spanish Club, but it isn't just about Spanish, it's about language in general. We're going to discuss how powerful language can be and how context, experience, and culture can affect understanding.
You can even learn a little bit Mandarin from our club.
What even is this club?
It's United Spectrum.
What is it for?
We advocate for inclusion of the gender and sexuality spectrum within Severn School.
Is it just for LGBTQ plus people?
No! And on Unity Day, we're talking about how to be an ally, the hidden biases we hold, and the representation of the LGBTQ plus community in the media.
So what club is this?
Multicultural Alliance.
And why should we go to Unity Day?
Because we need to be unified. Our club is a minority experience. It's inclusive. It doesn't just specifically talk about race. It talks about gender, sexual orientation, everything that you want to know about the minority experience. Action.
Unity Day is stupid.
Actually, it's not.
I don't want to go to swag, I'm a guy.
Swag is actually welcome to all genders.
If you come to our Unity Day seminars, you'll learn about the definition of feminism, women's education, and intersectionality.
What club is this?
Eco Club.
Who even cares about the environment?
Yeah, it's supposed to snow today. Global warming's not real.
Well, if you come to our Unity seminar, then you'll learn all about climate change and how you can reduce your impact on the planet.
Guys, I've decided I'm going to Unity Day.
Yeah, me too.
Well, that's awesome. We here are Umbrella Club, and our seminar this year is Share a Story, Save a Life, where we're talking about people who have mental health issues, and we're trying to help them.
I'm really glad they decided to learn about important stuff.
Me too.
I'm really glad we're going.
I'm excited. Hey, Umbrella Club, what day is Unity Day?
January 31st.
Be there.